Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, good evening, good night. My name is Agara Maharani. So, today in this video, I will explain the steps of creating and managing a book database. Okay, first, I create a database using the command create database laporan 1_2024 which is it's my student ID. So this command is used to create a new database that will store all the data including the book table that we will create. Okay, second, I use the database by executing use laporan 1_2024 this step is important to activate the database so that all the next comments will be executed in the correct database. Next, I create a table named buku using the create table command. So this table contains several columns such as kode buku, judul buku, penulis, penerbit, genre, tahun terbit, and harga. The data types are chosen based on the data needs. Varchar is used uh, to the text columns because it is flexible in length, while integer is used for numeric data such as year and price. For the column details, kode buku use varchar because it is contains a combination of letters and numbers like B01, B02, or others. Judul buku, penulis, and penerbit also use varchar because they store text data. Genre also use varchar with a shorter length, 50, since it only stores category names. And tahun terbit and harga use integer because they store numeric values that can be calculated or sorted. After that, I insert 15 rows of data into the buku table using the insert into command. Each row represents one book. And this step is also important to fill the table so it can be used for further queries. Then, next step, I modify the column names using the alter table command. I change kode buku to kode and judul buku to judul. This is done to make the column name simpler and easier to use while I keep the same data types. Next, I add a new column named stock using alter table and add command. So this column is used to store the number of available books and it use integer because it contains numeric values. After that, I update the stock data using the update command with the where condition. Okay, this ensures that each book gets the correct stock value based on its code. Next step, I display all the data in the table using select from buku. This command will show all columns and rows in the table so we can see all the data and the complete data that we have in table buku. Okay, next I display specific data by selecting judul, genre, and stock where the genre is romantic and the stock is less than 20. This use where clause with and to filter the data based on multiple conditions. Next, I also display, but this one I display judul, penulis, and stock, where the stock is between 20 and 50. I use the between keyword. So this also helps to filter data within a certain range, which is 20 and 50. Next, I sort the data by displaying judul and stock ordered by stock ascending or ASC. Ask. So this comment will shows the book starting from the lowest to highest. So the this comment will show the book starting from the lowest stock to the highest stock. Okay. Last, I display the number of books based on each genre using group by genre and count. Okay. This comment will shows how many books are in each category. So this comment will not showing the total stock, but it shows how many books are in each category. For the drama, it has 2 books, fantasy itu is 1, and others. Okay, maybe that's all for my explanation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.